let's talk about these adorable kitchen towels and dishcloths that I got from Amazon. I had a really hard time picking them out because I wanted something that was actually absorbent, because to be honest, when I bought a pack of dishcloths and dish towels in a store, I brought them home and I just hated them. I felt like they just moved the liquid around. These actually absorb stuff. And I like the little dishcloths because you can scrub inside glasses, which I have a few hand wash only things, which is annoying, but with the dishcloths makes things a little nicer. And I like how many colors this pack comes in because I like to coordinate. So for instance, I know it sounds weird that like you would want brown, but I have these cupcake towels that just, I felt like never went with anything else. And now I can mix in the brown. I know. I like to change out my dish towels and dishcloths every 2 to 3 days. So I don't even have all of them here because some of them are in the washer at the moment. I also use them to like wipe off my hands or whatever it is because I use the kitchen sink a lot. But I highly recommend these. I was very impressed. And honestly, it's a dish towel. Like, how crazy is that these are a hard thing to find the right stuff. But with this pack, it's the right stuff.